Hi, my name is Juliana Gaviria, and this is the pronunciation practice of English phonetics. Point 1, it's a reading. Teachers protest. The protests last 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. Schools say that there is no money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money on different things. Number 2, it's minimal pairs. And then we have cat, bat, wise, wide, ride, road, kite, night, take, steak, puck, pot, in, bin, peel, peel, each, day, day, big, pig, peel, peel, buck, buck, date, date, call, call, tool, cool, tape, tape, coat, coat, down, down, tie, guy, gap, gap, goal, bag, bag, table, table, fin, fin, fail, fail, fun, fun, big, big. For number 3, we have intonation and stress. It says, statement with 3 phrases. Children, the boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with 5. Alex wrote the letter very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Questions following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest. Politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Requests, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Questions, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Comments, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Requests, rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Then we have exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. Thank you.